Two uniform rods AC and CB, each of weight W, are smoothly jointed at C. The ends A and B are connected to 2 points at the same level. Same level. If the inclination of the rods to the horizontal 60, no? So similar, the same idea, no? 60 degrees. Find the reactions at C. So if the here X, if I say vertically Y, downwards Y. So here symmetric diagram, no? R, weight W, if I take the length as 2A, then A. So bisymmetric Y is 0, then vertically resolve upwards, 2R equal to 2W, therefore R equal to W, then take for AC, for rod AC, take moment about C. For rod AC, take moments about A. For rod AC, take moments about A. So X there, Y there, W there. Y is 0, no? Therefore X only is the answer, right? Bisymmetric Y is 0. And this for the system. For system, resolve vertically up. 2R equal to 2W. Therefore, no doubt R equal W, right? Next, I take for rod. A simple like MCQ problem. For rod AC, take moments about A. For rod AC, take moments about A. What happened? X, Y, W equal to 0. But Y is 0, no? Therefore I put the X direction, X into but the vertical height, here this one, 2A cos 60, therefore 2A sin 60. 2A sin 60, okay, 2A sin 60. And about A I use how this W is side, map at the Y other side, the W other side, right? Minus W into this part, A cos 60 equal to 0. Therefore, A cancel. Divide by the sin 60, 2x equal to a W, divide by sin 60, then cos 60, or divide by cos 60, anything. So what the answer? X equal W by 2, tan 60 root 3, cos 60 1 over root 3 is the answer. That's the reaction at C, no? That's the reaction at C. Okay, question number 5. See problem 5, Matute question 5. So you have to work from basic to advanced, problem by problem. Then it become a simple exam question, your 2-1 batch. Question 5. 4 equal heavy uniform rods are freely jointed so as to form a rhombus, which is freely suspended by one angular point and the middle points of the two upper rods are connected by a light rods so that the rhombus cannot collapse. We faced the early ideas that method. Prove that the tension of this light rod is 4W tan alpha, where W is the weight of each rod, 2 alpha is the angle of the rhombus, and the point of suspension. At the point of suspension, so the draw diagram, 4 equal heavy uniform rods are freely jointed so as to form a rhombus. Earlier we worked one question, square, no? Here rhombus. So both are similar shape, na rhombus, square, 4 equal. No? So draw a nice neat diagram. You put a name, say ABCD. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So here suspended as usual ideas. Here it's suspended to the ceiling, the horizontal beam or something like that. So tension එකක් තියෙනවා ඇති T naught. I say T naught, right? 4 equal rhombus suspended by one angular point at the middle point of two upper rods. Meet. Now we will show the forces. What are the forces here? W. All are equal Q. Here also W. The same line of action. Here also W. Draw big diagram. Mark clearly all the forces act upon this framework, jointed rod framework. So to keep this equilibrium position, what happened? They link these two by a string, light rod, they say, no? Two upper rod connected by a light rod. So what the use of the rod? It should be give, they say tension, and here we use tension therefore. For force T, here T, the same force T opposite and equal there, right? Okay. Two alpha is the angle of the rhombus at the point of suspension. Therefore here 2 alpha. Always try to find the symmetric idea. Here alpha, right? Symmetric figure, symmetric. Diagram is symmetric, okay? So question is, prove that the tension is what T equal, show that T equal to 4W tan alpha, show that T equal to 4W tan alpha. Only that, okay. So now complete the other reactions at the smooth jointed. So can I mark here this one? Can I say X here? So opposite equal that side X. Y comes up. And here Y comes down. And write a sentence. Bisymmetric. Bisymmetric. Y is 0. Bisymmetric. Y is 0, right? Bisymmetric. Y equals 0. You also be a force. Can I mark that side X1? So here this side X1, and can I mark this one upwards, here downwards, okay, can I say, if I mark here upwards Y1, then here downwards Y1, okay, the same hinge or the joint forces available at the D also, right? And here also we have forces, here also we have force horizontally, vertically. But is rhombus one of the parallelogram? Rhombus also parallelogram property when you apply. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So you also same case, alpha. Find the question is find the T, no? So think a easy method how to find the T answer. Only T they ask, but usually without resolve a joint, without remove a joint, you can't find the T. jointed rod chapter mean we need the what you called one joint to be resolved. That is important. Okay, think a method what we should find one force, right? By symmetric y is 0, right? By symmetric y is 0. Can I complete the X answer? First take for rods A, B and BC. For rods A, B and BC. For rods A, B and BC. Take moments about B. Take moments about B. What are the forces? X, W, Y. But Y is 0. You can find the X. For rod BC, takes moments about B, right? For rod BC, take moments about B. Find the X answer, find the X answer. After that, follow me here, see. After that, ඊට පස්සේ කරමු අපි AB and BC. For rod AB and BC. For rod AB and BC. That means half system, half system. එතකොට මේ join B එක එන්නේ. For rod AB and BC, take moments about A. Take moments about A, yeah? Then you have X and T, W only, you can find the T. Okay, so first point, for rod BC, take moment about B. For rod BC, take moments about B. Like, can I write this X direction? X, that is clockwise. What is that? X into line of action, X into what the vertical, we see length is 2a, yeah? Length is 2a. 2a cos alpha, okay? 2a cos alpha, okay? X into 2a cos alpha and W. They do the same direction, W, ne? Okay? Plus W into what that? This is the W line of action W here, right? So here alpha, corresponding angle. I need this one, A sin alpha, check will be A sin alpha. Okay, A sin alpha. Here A cos alpha means A sin alpha. Equal to 0. Because y is 0. Therefore find the X answer. A cancel, divide by sin alpha. 2x tan alpha equal minus W. Therefore X answer minus W by 2 cot alpha. X equal minus W by 2 cot alpha. Minus W by 2 cot alpha is the X answer. The question is T, problem is T. Now what? Half system. Take the rod AB and BC. For rod AB and BC, take moments about A. Then y anyhow 0. X there. This system is 0. Opposite and equal part 0. If you take the word called system. Also 2020 also we use the system method. Study that. So X anavayati, T anavayati, W there. So you know X. We can find the T answer. So next one, for rod AB and BC. For rod AB and BC, take moments about A. Take moments about A. Can I say the same? T direction. Subject T is the subject T. Direction of T. What is the T direction and the distance T? Force is the what the distance? Here is one. Here. Where T at? Midpoint here. Midpoint of the rod's upper arm. Two upper arms. They say upper rod jointed by the mid value with string. So here A, yeah? This is light rod. They kept a light rod to maintain the equilibrium of the framework. So here what is? This is line of action. I need this one, A cos alpha. Okay, A cos alpha, right? T into A cos alpha. T into A cos alpha. T into A cos alpha. Okay, that 3. Yeah, no system. This system is 0. This system is 0. X minus x, okay, minus x into the diagonal of rhombus. What is that? 2a cos alpha, 2a cos alpha, 4a cos alpha, 4a cos alpha, 4a cos alpha, right? 4a cos alpha. Finally, don't forget the w there. That both same line of action because rhombus. So මෙතන 2w again 2w එක 2w. That is also what I take the same direction. So plus 2w plus 2w plus 2w. This one, what is that? A cos mean a sin alpha, right? A sin alpha equal to 0. A sin alpha equal to 0. Put the x value, find the answer. බලන්න answer දීලා තියෙනවා. Divide by the a cos alpha, divide by the a cos alpha. T divide by a cos alpha minus 4. What is x4? Minus w by 2 cot alpha. Okay, divide by a, I said divide by cos alpha, so t only, 4x, 4 into x4, here is x minus w by 2, below 10 means up cot alpha, no? Okay, and plus that, plus 2w, I divide by cos alpha, therefore sin alpha, right? Tan alpha, right? Tan alpha equal to 0. Something, the answer t equal 4w tan alpha. See some direction problem, I think direction 4w. X is okay. X answer the direction x. X into, I took about the b, no? So this is the line of action, complete this one, 2a cos alpha, right? And plus w is the line of action, w I need this direction, a cos alpha, a sin alpha, that's right. X is okay, no, x is okay, right? Take that side, minus w, I divide by, oh I missed this, I divide by what, divide by sin alpha, I divide by sin alpha, no? Therefore here cot alpha. See cot alpha, wrong. Here cot alpha. Here cot alpha, cos divide by sin cot alpha. So therefore here tan alpha, right? Tan alpha. Don't misuse, check the minus w by 2 tan alpha. Therefore here w by 2 tan alpha. Tan alpha. So the answer that's correct. T equal to here minus plus 2w. Minus 4w tan alpha. Therefore, that's I told you earlier, it cannot come as tension, it should be thrust. Usually in the framework there's a rod horizontally keeping to pull both sides. Therefore, it should be a thrust. No matter they ask about tension, the answer is become thrust force 4w tan alpha value. 4w tan alpha. That's the question here, but we find another one also. Find the reaction at B. Another question. Find the reaction at B. Find the reaction at B. Find the reaction at B and its direction. Find the reaction at B and its direction with the horizontal. Write that. Find the reaction at B. Find the reaction at B and its direction with the horizontal. Okay. So come to this B. You have to find the x1, y1. That's the meaning. Find the x1, y1. Follow the easy method. Come rod BC. BC is easy. See the lower one. Rod BC. Take the rod BC. Horizontally apply x this side, x1 that side, x equal x1. So for rod BC, okay, I take resolve horizontally this direction, x here, as I mentioned, x1 that side. What is x1? You write your answer, right? Minus w by 2 tan alpha. Alright, vertically up. Put vertically up, vertically up. y1 up. W down equal to 0. Harida, y1 equal w. Find this separately. An additional question I ask. Find the resultant of the reaction at B. Find the reaction at B. Find the reaction at B and find its direction with the horizontal. With the horizontal, find its reaction. Come that method. First time I'm showing here. See that? Therefore, reaction at B. Reaction at B. Reaction at B. What is that? Square root of x1 square plus y1 square. x1 square plus y1 square. What is x1 square is w square over 4 tan square alpha. What is y1? W there. So w square, ne? But everything inside the square root, right? Then complete the answer. Take the w out, take the w out. W square out, take the w square out. And also take the 4 out, w by 2. Square root, what is that? Tan square alpha plus 4, ne? Next I ask, what the direction with the horizontal? See how to calculate such an answer, such problem, how to find. So see the method. X is reactions. This is x1. Here y1. In this case you make the both are positive. Huh? See x come that side, ne? That is negative. Therefore I show that side positive. And y1 is up, that is w. This is the reaction. You know the reaction R. I say find the angle with the horizon, say theta. Say theta, say theta. So we put tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta equal y1 divided by x1. Tan theta equal y1 divided by x1. You know y1, you know x1. So find the theta. What is the answer? Tan theta. Tan theta equal what is y1? W. y1 is w, right? What is over x1? x1. The answer w by 2 tan alpha. W by 2 tan alpha. Okay. So w cancel. The theta equal tan inverse. Tan inverse. What is that? 2 cot alpha. Check will you any problem tell. Is there something they ask that show that here then I cut. Okay, the 2 w cancel, 2 goes up, tan take up. Okay, 2 cot alpha, right? That's the question. That's the problem. My third question number 5. Okay, see, write another question is you should write this problem. Write this question. Write this problem. A rhombus ABCD. A rhombus ABCD. A rhombus ABCD is formed by joining. Is formed by joining 4 uniform rods. 4 uniform rods of equal length at A, comma B, capital letters, comma C and D. A, comma B, comma C and D. Full stop. Each rod is of weight W. Each rod is of weight W. Each rod is of weight W and length 2A. And length 2A. Full stop. By joining A and C, by joining A and C, by joining A and C, by a light inextensible string, by a light inextensible string, by a light inextensible string, the system is suspended from the joint A. The system is suspended from the joint A. Such that angle BAD, such that angle BAD equal pi by 3, or 60 degrees, ne? Find the reaction at the hinge D, find the reaction at the hinge D, find the reaction at the hinge D, and the tension in the string, and the tension in the string, and the tension in the string. This is the question. This is the problem. Today is my sixth question. So start, draw diagram, mark the details. Rhombus, A, B, C, D, four uniform rods, weight is W, length is 2A, joins at A and C by a light inextensible string. Suspend also, usual thing what happened here, suspend like this to maintain the equilibrium also in the string. Different string, you can mark here T naught, or you can avoid, no problem, right? Sometimes they how to find this tension for system upwardly resolved. T naught equal to 4W, right? T naught equal to 4W. Okay, the weights are W. And they also they asked, I said capital T, opposite and equal here T, right? And the angle is given pi by 3, completely a pi by 3, therefore one is pi by 6, same here pi by 6, okay? And if I show, they ask B, D, I think B and D same, B and D same force. Here also I show you that horizontally X, capital letter X, and it gives the other X that side. Vertically Y available, downwards say another Y, and right by symmetric Y is 0, ne? Symmetric line, 2020 not a symmetric figure. The first time such a problem, such a figures come in the past exam, but easy question, right? Most questions are come close figure, rhombus, hexagon, pentagon. We'll see in the 2 days we can work many questions. We need 2 days to complete. Okay, resolve the joint D. Can I say this side x1? So this side x1. Can I mark here down? Therefore I say y1 upward and show here y1. So otherwise you mark DP. Otherwise you mark B. D and B are same, right? Because of symmetric. What are the direction and the force? Same comes at the point B also. Length is 2A, yeah? Therefore A and complete the problem. Same ideas. So mostly jointed rods are same fashion, nothing to worry. So very first step you say bisymmetric, Y is 0. Bisymmetric, Y is 0. Bisymmetric, Y is 0. Bisymmetric, Y is 0. Huh? Bisymmetric, Y is 0. Bisymmetric, Y is 0. The question is find the tension and the reaction at D. So follow the good experience today. You feel lot of parts, lot of problems solving by formula, by getting the equation, moments, resolving everything. It's very important. So how to find how that always remember one thing in a jointed rod problem. We should at least one joint should be resolved. Eka joint එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දැනග යුතුයි. Otherwise අපිට ගන්න බෑ. So follow for rod A, B and BC. Take for rod A, B and BC. For rod A, B and BC. For rod A, B and BC, what? Take moments about A, ne? Take moments about A. For half system, if you take a half system or system, opposite and equal forces are there. A, B, B, C, hari, A, D, D, C are both same. A, D, D, C or A, B, B, C both same. Take moments about A. X there, W there, that's all. T, you can't take the T. Why? Passes through A, yeah? T is available, distance is 0. So that is complete 0. So therefore, for rod A, B and BC, take moments about A. For A, B and BC, take moments about A. X into is vertical distance. 2A cos pi by 6. 2A cos pi by 6. 4A cos pi by 6. 4A cos pi by 6. Okay. How is W? 2W, take the same line of action. 2W, arakata disavamai, same direction. 2W, what is that? This one. Here A cos 30, A sin 30. Yeah? A sin 30. So A sin pi by 6. A sin pi by 6. That's all. Therefore 0. Okay. So you can cut by the 1A or cut by 2, divide by sign also. 2x tan pi by 6 plus I cut by 2 also. W only. Is it okay? I divide by A and sin 30. Cos divide by sin divide by signed. Okay, therefore cot here cot. Divide by sine, cut by 2 also. Then W sine, cos over sine, cot. So what is the answer? Therefore C a minus. No problem, minus. Our direction is this. W by 2, below cot, up tan, no? You know tan 30, 1 over root 3. Check this the answer. W over 2 root 3. But my method answer is negative, no problem. Scheme answer is full marks, not a problem. That means direction other side. Therefore always if you feel minus minus enavana, put the place arrow ekanit petra damu. Put the arrow other side. That's by experience you take. Katapada karanta ba. X that side ne minus minus na eka podda palapam upset na anit petra demma hari. Okay, now what? Now take rod BC. For rod BC, for rod BC, for rod BC, take moments about B. For rod BC, take moments about B. Then X available, T available, W available. You know X, you can find the T. For rod CD, take moments about D. Or for rod BC, take moment about B. දෙකම සමානයි. Same idea නේ, symmetric නේ. So for rod BC, I take moments about B, I put the x direction, x or t same, x and t same direction, huh? X and t same direction. So t into the line of action is t, yeah? T into this one, what is that? Make it 30, 2a sine 30. 2a sine 30, 2a sine 30 t plus x into, this is x line of action, vertical height up to b, 2a cos 30 ne? 2a cos 30, 2a cos 30, 2a cos 30, okay? X there, same x direction, t also same. W. How W minus my other side, minus W into this one, what is that? Here 30 means here also 30. A cos 30, A sin 30, ne? A sin 30 equal to 0. Okay, simplify. Now divide by majority sin 30, cut by sin 30, cut by A and divide by sin 30. So 2t sin 30 cut plus 2x divided by sin 30, cot 30 minus w sin 30 cancel 0 ne? Divide by sin 30, sin 30 cancel 2t, yeah? Cos divide by sin cot ne? Therefore you know the x answer. What is 2x? What is 2x down to getting? So 2t, what is 2x is? 2x is minus w over root 3. What is cot 30 root 1 over root 3 minus w equal to 0, ne? Therefore 2t equal minus w, let's say take that here, w over 3, ne? W over 3 plus w, therefore t answer 4w over 6, otherwise 2w over 3, ne? Okay, check 2w over 3. The tension, the string, 2w over 3. Check, is it okay? For rod BC, I took the moments about B, x into 2a cos 30 t into 2a sin 30 plus x into 2a cos 30 minus w into this one, here 30, a sin 30, ne? I divide by the sin 30, yeah? Therefore 2t, 2a cos 30 over sin 30 cot 30, let's cancel. Therefore 2t, apply the x answer minus w over root 3 minus w 2x answer minus w over root 3 cot 30 tan 30 what? Tan 30 1 over root 3, no? 0. Let's say if I am again showing that. So therefore root 3 cancel. 2w. So t equal w. Check will you? Okay, t equal w then. T equal to w or 2w. How that? 2t plus 2x cot 30. So 2x mean minus w over root 3. Tan 30 1 over root 3, therefore cot 30 root 3 minus w for rod BC equal to 0. So 2t minus 2w is 0. Then find the w answer. T equal w. The string, force at the string tension force the vertical string. Next they ask find the reactions at B and D. Find the reactions at D, the same as the B, right? So take the moments or resolve horizontally, vertically, and you can calculate that force. Reactions at D. Next part, reactions. T equal W, check T equal W, ne? Next for rod CD, for rod CD, we can take horizontally resolve, then you have a chance to find the x1 and y1, no? Horizontally resolve, vertically resolve, and find the forces. For rod CD, resolve horizontally in my order x equal x1, ne? X equal x1, x equal to x1. So you know x answer, then find the x that. So x answer minus w over root, therefore x1 the same, ne? X1 equal minus w over 2 root 3. X1 answer at that vertical point. Now vertically resolve, vertically upward resolve, upward y1 up, w down, ne? Y1 up, t also up, w down. So find the y1 answer. Find the y1 answer. For that y1, what is tw equal to w? Hurry, the y1 is 0 therefore. Y1 is 0. Y1 is 0. Therefore, the complete force at the D is what? The x. X is the reaction at D because of that 0, no? x1 square plus y1 square. Y1 is 0. So what is x1? That's the answer. That is the answer in that case. This is a few jointed rods.